It's fine. It's fine.
You know what basketball court is?
So I just followed Mr. Spaghetti's advice and bought a used, reliable car because my other car is a V8 Audi. So Mr. Spaghetti said, buy something cheap, and here I am. It doesn't run. I'd spent 80 bucks to get it towed here. Replaced the starter battery, and it still doesn't run. And the starter battery was $200. So that's how far, it's $500 for this beautiful garbage machine that everyone hates. And the fact that everyone hates it makes me so much more passionate about fixing this thing, because it is hilarious the amount of people hate Priuses. So I'm going to take out the battery, check the cells. I'm not going to show you how to do any of that because this is more just for my own entertainment and to show how much I enjoy people absolutely hating Priuses. This will be fun. Or hell. So here in my garage, got this new Cub Cadet here. I got the torque app before tearing out the battery because I wanted to use the system's computer to say, hey, what's wrong? I got these codes. Googled them, said it might be a sensor issue. Checked the voltage on the battery, which is here. That looks fucked. That doesn't make any sense. How, I think one's negative voltage. No idea, whatever. Take out the battery. It's sitting on the garage over there. And I'm gonna load test all of the cells and we'll see how that goes. So you know when things seem like they're going fine and they all go horribly wrong? Yeah. Every cell is fine. Load test, perfect. This battery cell, mint. Absolutely mint. These, see there? They're corroded. Garbage. Now, what I didn't expect was the voltage control module to be an issue. So we got leads here. And these are black because they melted. I don't know how that happens. And these little shiny boys, the ones that aren't corroded ass copper, are what tells the computer, hey, voltage is good. Well, it's obviously something's wrong. And I was hoping that'd be the only issue. So as you can see, that's all black and charred. I guess corrosion can arc. There's 14 leads in here. 3 of them are just gone. Done. Can't find them anywhere. So to take this apart, look at the computer, and see if this entire thing is fucked. And if it is, I don't know what this is called. So this cheap Prius build that I was like, I'll just have to replace some battery cells and everything will be perfectly fine. Yeah, negative. To this channel, subscribe, cause same. This is gonna be a shit show, more than likely, especially because I started recording videos on it. And I would be greatly appreciated if you just join me on this fucking disaster. It is not gonna be fun. One of us is gonna cry. It'll probably be me that's crying. On the easier side of things, I soaked the copper leads in salt and vinegar because apparently that's what you're supposed to do. And we're gonna see if that worked. And if it didn't, who cares, because I'm sending this back to get a new wiring harness because it's 150 bucks for a new wiring harness. It's brand new and there's only a $100 cord charge. So screw it. Trump money. So these were black before and now they're nice and coppery. So remember, email your local congressman so that they soak the Statue of Liberty in salt and vinegar. I don't actually know how this drove on the test drive. I'm actually confused by that. This was just luck. I've driven the car once. Can't try to test drive it because in D mode it's not going to make it up my hill. So the car's just stuck in park with the new starter battery disconnected, because if it was connected, it'd drain by the time I'm done with this. I'm having a friend that can code motherboards or whatever It is, they're going to resolder it, and then we'll go from there. I might have a working car, I might have a potato, and this isn't even the mechanical stuff. But luckily I'm friends with Bot's kids, because this car is more of a robot than it is an actual car. So we'll figure this out, hopefully. If not, I'm going to burn it to the ground and delete this video before my insurance company sees it. Peace. I am going to try and not cry myself to sleep.